What's up, my people? How are we? As you all know, it's the life of Amy. Welcome back to my channel, and I am here with another video. So, if you are new to this channel, first of all, click on the notification bell to enable you get notification when I post video. Like this video, drop your comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, yes, now let's talk about signs she is. Yes, science. How do you know your woman? And let's talk about it. Okay, gather here, my people. So now, the thing is, it is much more easier for men to orgasm than women. For women, it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of um time to process. It's something you must really give it time for a woman to orgasm. So now most time men now find it very difficult. But the thing is it is not difficult. These are signs that you can look out for, that when you see this, you can be able to tell at this point my woman, she needs me. She needs us to do the do. She needs us to get to the bedroom and do what we are supposed to do. So now the first one that we'll consider is erected nipples. If you're with your woman, the easiest way for you to know that yes, at this point she is very much erected nipples. Yes, most of us women now when we our nipples become very much erected. When I say erected, it becomes very straight, pointed, like just as though they are both staring at you like this. So now when you see this, you should be able, they are very much, they are not at that point, it's not like soft. It becomes just like when it comes together, the thing will just package well, come together and then very much erected, staring at you like this. That in the sense that when you touch it, you should be able to know that okay, this is erected at this point. You see, when a man's joystick is erected, it becomes like this foam. That's how nipples react too. And now, second one I'm going to talk to us about it is most women are so vocal when they are aroused. That's the truth. Most women, once they are aroused, they become very vocal. They say things that normally they are not. You won't hear them say. They do things that even you know that okay, at this point this girl, this lady that I know wouldn't go this far. They have become very vocal. They say things openly. They say, telling you that I am aroused. Yes. So with this, you should be able to know that when it gets to this point, okay, I am with someone that yes. Now the third one I'm going to talk to us is elevated heartbeat. Most women now, when you are aroused, it's just like your blood starts pumping, your system starts pumping very well. Often, yeah, it starts functioning. Most people, their body becomes very warm. That you can see that okay, there's a flow of blood. Yes, something is actually going on. Their heartbeat becomes more elevated for you to know that okay, at this point, this girl, something is obviously going on. Yes. So these are signs that you can see in your girl. You should know that okay, she is really in need of my attention at this point. Now, for most women, the next one, most women, to some, I don't know, but I won't really guarantee it's 100% of the women. No, most women, when they are aroused, they smell differently. Yes, when they are rose, they smell differently. You as a guy, you should be able to know your woman's natural body scent. Okay, so now when they yes, because when they are rose, they smell differently. They smell differently, different from how you know they smell before. So you should be able to know that at this point, something you pay. The truth is that all these things exist, but it goes down to being able to study the woman, the person that you're with. Notice the tiniest things. Know her and know her because yes, this is someone. It's either she's your wife or someone you're in a relationship with or someone you wish to settle down with. So yes, you should be able to know your partner. And the next one I'm going to talk to us about now. Most women when they are aroused, they press their legs together. they easily press their legs together. Probably you're lying down with her and then she's being all, trying to get in between your legs, pressing everywhere together, trying to feel your warmth. Yes, they just want to feel the warmth of your body, and then you see them trying to, it's as though you guys are struggling for the both legs. She's trying to squeeze herself to feel the warmth, feel like secure, have that feeling that I have something I can really rely on. So yes, with this thing, this time you should be able to know that this woman, my partner is a rose. Yes, so that's why you see most of them react differently. They do it not like it's an intentional act, but yes, some people react this way when it comes to this level. It's not like it's an intentional act, but yes, some people react this way because of this. The next one we're going to talk about, she becomes very sensitive. At this point, most women become very sensitive. When they are aroused, they are very sensitive. They are sensitive to your touch. Like when you touch every part of their body, the sensitive spots, like the erogenous zones in their body, they are very sensitive. Touch their sweet spot, they are very sensitive. So most women at this point, they are so sensitive to your touch. Before you finish, they're already mourning in high places. So yes. And then the last one I'm going to talk to us about, most women when they are aroused, they tend to bite their lips. You see them do like this. See what I'm doing? Yeah. So most women bite their lips when they are aroused. So now these are signs that you should look out for to know that you're a woman. Because the thing is when you have a partner, you should be able to know your partner. Know when something is wrong. Know when something is going on. Something is bothering her. Something that needs your attention. You should be able to know. So with these signs, I believe you should be able to know when your partner is aroused. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.